Hello Plastic Model Builders, this is Ari Stone with Plastic Model Builder, and I am going to give you a reveal and a review of the 1/426 scale USS Arizona. It was a battleship that was sunk during World War II, and this is my interpretation of it. Here it is, right here in all its glory. So this is the model right here. It comes with a small decal sheet that has the name of the ship, how deep it is in the water that you can put on the sides, and two Navy decals that go underneath the wings of these two little airplanes right here. This model, as you can see, this is it. It does have gap issues with it. It is an older model, so the review I am doing is based off of what you're getting today as opposed to what you got back when this model first came out in the 60s, I believe. There are gap issues, as I stated, so you do have to take some time with those. The molds on my particular kit, I had shifts in them, so some of the parts were uneven. You know, instead of being like that, they are like that. So that is something to note. If you are looking for a kit with those kind of issues that you really want to work hard on, you can definitely get this kit, and it will definitely give you your money's worth if you want to work hard at that. If you just want something to put together to look like the USS Arizona, you will definitely be able to do this. It also comes with some flag decals. They're not really decals though, they're paper that you fold in half and you can put on there. I did not do that on mine. I also did not put on any of the wires that you have going from whatever to whatever, you know, antennas, things like that. I didn't do any of that. I just made a simple model, as you can see. I drilled out all the holes in this, all along the sides here and the front and the back for the portholes. That way, you know, it looks a little bit more realistic. There was a lot of them. Just use a drill bit. You can get it through. The attachments to the sprues, they had thick attachments. Some of them were not in the best spot, so you do have to pay attention to that. As noted earlier, a lot of gaps, a lot of uneven parts. As well, the instructions can be a little hard to read certain things. The colors are the colors that they have that are listed. It doesn't mean that's necessarily what the model should be or not be. There are variations of to what color it actually was. Just do your best, make it look pretty for some model making madness. Here is my final model. As it is, you have these that move right here. Your guns, they can move up and down as well as go side to side. Just depends on which way you want to do it. These are them right here. No moving anchors, of course, but this is it. Fairly basic model, has some little stands that you can see right here at the bottom. If you want to do a nice little battleship for a decent price, this is it, the 1/426 scale Revell USS Arizona. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, and like. And as always, until next time, see ya.